Welcome back. Now, the obvious choice when you have to output content is always going to be to use your Google tools. And you can do that by going to the share button at the very bottom. And we can click on share and export. We can set up a draft in Gmail. So if you are logged into your Google account and your Gmail is open, you can take the content and you can open it up in a Gmail. This assumes that you are using Gemini to help you to write emails. You can also export to your documents. We can click this button to export to our Google Docs. Once the doc is created, we can then open our docs. And we can then see our Google Doc. The doc is then saved to our Google Drive. We can also click the direct share button. What we have done when we do that, we have created a public page to share with others. We can click this button that says create public link. And we then have a public page for our document. If we copy this public link, we can place it inside of a browser to see the page. And we are going to paste in the link. And our document is then visible to be shared with individuals that we want to see it. So there are a number of ways for you to be able to output your content using Google Gemini. They primarily center around free tools that you may already have with Google. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.